Hello students, today I explain electronic configuration. It means arrangement of electron in different orbital for different orbit is called electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is commaless. Okay. So today we explain the structure of atom and so on in different types of questions solved by this method. Okay, because in each year number of questions asked from this chapter, number of lone pair, unpaired, number of bond, valence electron, valency, quantum number and type of bond. As we know that in the center of atom nucleus is present, inside the nucleus proton and neutrons are present and electron revolves around the nucleus in different orbit, in different energy level, okay. So this is the energy level. First, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. This is first orbit, also second, third, fourth. Name of first orbit is K, second is L, third is M and fourth is M, okay. Inside the first orbit, S orbital is present and it contains maximum 2 electron. In second orbit, S and P orbitals are present. As we know that S contains 2 electron and P contains 6 electron because P orbital have 3 suborbital. How many suborbital? 3 suborbital. Okay. M orbit contain 3 orbital, S, P and D. How many electron? 18 electron. Fourth orbit contain how many electron? 32 electron. So question is asking from these ideas number of lone pair. So for calculation of number of lone pair, first rub this structure. And then we explain. As for example, first orbit contain S orbital, second orbit contain S and P orbital, third S, P, D, fourth S, P, D, F, fifth S, P, D, sixth S, P, 7 S. Okay. This is the main theme of electronic configuration. This is the first S. This is second S, second P, third S, third P, third D, 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F, 5P, 6S, 6P, 7S. Okay. On so on. Where electron is first entered inside the orbital. So it is based on the n plus L value. N plus L value means n is the principal quantum number and L is the azimuthal quantum number value. Okay. So after discussion of electronic configuration, we also explain the n plus L value. Okay. First electron goes inside the first S orbital. As for example, this, and then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, and then 3p, 4s, and then 3d, 4p, 5s, and then 4d, 5p, 6s, and after that, okay. We write these ideas in serial way. 1s, how many electron in S orbital? 2 electron. Then 2s, how many electron? 2. 2p, how many electron in P orbital? 6. Then 3s, how many? 2. 3p, 6. 4s, 2. 3d, 10. 4p, 6, on so on. Okay. I gave you a questions. Write down the electronic configuration of sodium atom. Write down the electronic configuration of sodium atom. Okay. So we write here sodium. Its atomic number is 11. So it have 11 electron. As we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. we write down here 3s1 because it had one electron is left and that is goes inside the third orbit. So here we write 1. Okay. Again, next question is how many lone pair electrons are present in different atoms? For calculation of lone pair, we draw a different structure for different atom. Okay. As for example, suppose this is the nitrogen. It has 7 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is the outermost orbit. This is the outermost orbit. The electron present in the outermost orbit is called valence electron. Okay. So from electronic configuration we find out the valence electron. So how many valence electron in nitrogen atom? 5. How many? 5. How many valence electron in sodium atom? 1. How many valence electron in oxygen atom? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Outermost orbit this. So how many electron? 6 electron. These are the valence electron. For calculation of valency means combining capacity of any atom for complete the octet configuration is called valency. So for calculation of valency, there is a easy trick. On this trick, we calculate the valency. Okay. First we rub here. This is the valence electron and this is the valency. If valence electron is 1, then valency is 1. Valence electron 2, valency 2. 3, 4. Then valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron. This is the formula for calculation of valency. So here valency is 4. Valence electron 5, valency is 3. On this formula, we put this value. On this formula, we find the 3. 6, 2, 7, 1, 8, 0. Okay. On this method, on this formula, we find out the valence electron and valency. Next question is lone pair electron and unpaired electron. How can we calculate lone pair and unpaired electron? Okay. So for this calculation, first we write the electronic configuration. Lone pair. Okay. Nitrogen 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. We draw the different structure of different suborbital which is present in second orbit. This is the structure of 2s. How many electron in 2s? 2 electron. One is upward, other is downward. This is the structure of 2p orbital. In 2p orbital, 3 suborbitals are present. In 2p orbital, how many electrons are present? In case of nitrogen, 3 electrons are present. 1 electron goes inside each suborbit. Inside is suborbit orbital. Okay, orbital. So, okay, if 2 electrons are present in one suborbital, then it is called lone pair. How many electrons present in single suborbital which have 2 electrons? So, answer is 1. The lone pair is 1 because in only one box 2 electrons are present. The lone pair is 1 and unpaired is 3 because in 3 different suborbital each have 1 electron, so unpaired electron is 1. Okay. As for example, fluorine it has 9 electron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. We draw the structure of 2s and 2p. 2s. How many electron? 2. In 2p, 3 suborbitals are present, 5 electrons are present. So here we draw how many suborbitals which have 2 electrons are present. 3 suborbital. It means lone pair is equal to 3 and unpaired electron is equal to 1. Those atoms which have number of unpaired electron is calculated. So atom must be make this type of bond. It means if nitrogen has 3 unpaired electron, so nitrogen make 3 bond. If fluorine has 1 unpaired electron, fluorine make 1 bond. Oxygen has 2 unpaired electron, oxygen make 2 bond. But question is asking in 11th, 12th and 10th examination. First important question is, I gave you important question. Why we gave important question? Question is there, why nitrogen make 3 bond but phosphorus make 5 bond? For this explanation, you see next video, and you subscribe my video and like also. Thanks.